I love trading mantras. I love all the folksy sayings and idioms and catchphrase in markets. It's something about it sounds so timeless and full of wisdom that I can hear them over and over again. But there's one saying, one mantra that I hear time and time again, and it's always something someone says just before they make a terrible mistake. And that's the topic of today's video. There's got to be a trading mantra for every situation, and I think I've said them all. But over time, this one began to wear at me and grind on me, and eventually I erased it from my vocabulary, and I think you should too. And that trading mantra is: nobody ever went broke taking profits. Nobody ever went broke taking profits. You can't go broke taking profits. It's like a license to get out of a great trade. The thing about it is it's objectively true. It's technically true. It's right. No one ever did go broke taking profits. And if every trade is a profit and all you're doing is taking profits, well, it doesn't really matter how little they are, you're slowly getting rich, I guess. The problem with it is that it's an excuse to get out of a good trade. If the only reason you are making a trade is to not go broke, then it's just, you're headed there anyway. There's something about this mantra and that thought process that is like in a loser's brain. The implicit statement in nobody ever went broke taking profits is, I'm just trying not to go broke. And if you're just trying not to go broke, like, get out of markets. If you just think that you can take little profits when you're aiming for big profits and still get to where you want to go, you're just in the wrong place, or you're in the wrong frame of mind. Whenever you're thinking, well, I'll just take a little bit of profits to avoid going broke, really reevaluate that trade, because there's a very good chance you're in a bad trade or a good trade, but make a decision. In general, I think you're in a good trade and you need to let it run. Too often traders are taking profits on an idea that's extended for a long period of time and should extend further. It's that trade you get into hoping to earn 500 pips over a few weeks, and you're into it for 100 pips right away, and then you get out only to watch it run the rest of the way you thought, and you end up chasing, and it's just the start to a lot of mistakes. Nobody ever went broke taking profits. Well, you will go broke if your attitude is, I just want to take profits all the time. I mean, you have a reason to get into a trade, and if that reason has changed, get out of the trade. You might have a methodology that you're following, but if you just feel like you need to take a profit, you're in a weak spot, as it were, and that's when you need that discipline anyway. You want to really let your gains run, at least to a target that you should have set out for yourself ahead of time. So that's the trading mantra I want to eliminate from my vocabulary and yours. You win some, you lose some, that's all in the game. Trying to avoid taking losses is a dangerous game that sets you up for going broke later. Okay, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Nobody ever went broke giving this video a thumbs up, or going to Forex Live. Thanks so much for watching. Let us know about trading mantras you love and hate in the comments. I talked in another video about my favorite trading mantra, and I think it can help you too, so check that one out, and check us out at forexlive.com. Thanks so much for watching.